Simple Canva animation. Like and subscribe for more Canva video tricks and animation tutorial. Let's start by creating a new design and choose the video landscape size. On the timeline, add a blank background and move the play here to the start. Now open Elements, then go to Frames and search for the quarter circle frame. Grab this one and place it on the left. Then the other one, place it on the right. Resize them to match and position them close together. Select both, duplicate, rotate 180 degrees and adjust. Highlight all frames and group them. Then go to the Photos tab. Search for different fruits in the photo library and drag them into each frame. Let's add strawberry in the first frame. Double click, resize, and rotate until it fits nicely. Do the same for the other fruits: apple, grape, and orange. Next, make it bigger and move it to the left so that half of it shows. Now rotate by 45 degrees. Type C to add a circle shape. Make it bigger and place it over the grouped frames. Change the color of the circle to match the color of the fruits. Use the color picker tool. Apply the same color to the background. Now let's add some text. Click on the text tab and drag in a text box or press T to insert one. Type strawberry and change the font. Make it all caps. Duplicate the text layer, drag it below that, and edit the text or paste in your text. Resize to fit. Adjust all elements until everything looks balanced. Click the Pages button at the bottom to open the Pages panel. Click Duplicate at the top to copy the page. Click on the second page. Rotate the group frames to reveal the next fruit, orange. Update the text. Change the circle and background color to match the color of the fruit. Click Exit Video. Duplicate the second page. Click on the page. Change the text. Rotate to the next fruit. Then change the circle and background color. Click Exit Video again. Duplicate the third page and repeat the same process for the last fruit. Finally, add transition and select the match and move transition. Set duration to 1 second and apply to all pages. Now let's preview the video. Then export as MP4. And here is the finished result. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva video tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.